just got the car loaded up, and we got some good news. Turns out I had a whole bunch of tackle in my trunk that I didn't even know about, because this morning before I headed out, I checked my tackle box and I had like damn near nothing in there that I usually go to throw in the mornings. And yeah, man, I had like about 2 or 3 bags of like everything that I go to throw. And I even have a couple wake baits that I had in there that I wanted to throw and try out. So that's a good thing, because it's 6:09 right now and nothing's open. So I had no go-to stores or anything to go to right now. Literally nothing's open. So I'm about to head out to the water, and I'll see you guys out there. Just got out to the spot right now, getting my waders on. Gotta rig my rods up because I got anything rigged up right now. But yeah, man, the water's pretty flat right now. It's not too windy, so probably start off with a little bit of top water. Hopefully I could catch some reds tailing in the early morning right now. And if not, we'll work the banks. We'll work close to the banks with some plastics, maybe some wake baits. We'll just get out there, see how the fish are moving. Well, we're out on the water, but got some bad news. One of my rods, for some reason, just gave out. My reel on my Laguna, it gave out. It doesn't want to reel for some reason, so now we're just down to my spinning reel. So it's gonna take a little bit more time to switch lures and all that, but I mean, we'll deal with it. Hopefully we get some good karma right now. Get into some fish. We'll see how it goes. Alright guys, came across this little flock of seagulls on top of some bait. Looks like some shrimp. I've been seeing a couple blow-ups, but I'm gonna try to get close without spooking them so they don't fly away. Hopefully we can get into something nice right here. Hopefully they're on top of some reds or something. Yeah, there was a little blow-up right there. I don't know if you guys saw it. There it is. Looks like some schoolie trout. First fish of the morning. Had to walk over here by these seagulls. It was a pretty far walk, but it should be all scattered around here. Looks like they're chasing a whole bunch of little shrimp. That's another one. Yeah, man, it looks like a whole bunch of schoolie trout. Hopefully there's some bigger ones in there, or even some reds. Pretty big blow-ups. They're still blowing up right here. There it is. Ah, it's a ladyfish. It feels so weird using this combo, especially throwing like light plastics on here, man. It's hard to feel these bites. I'm so used to using my Laguna. It's so light. Another nice trout. Man, I really hope this isn't just a whole school of schoolie trout. That's pretty sure there's some bigger ones in here. I was looking at these blow-ups. It looks like there's some bigger fish in here. Just gotta weave through them. Might be a nicer trout. They're getting a little bigger. They're still small for the most part though. Ooh, big old ladyfish. Man, looks like there's everything but some damn reds. Alright guys, I ran into another patch of birds over here. Let's see if there's anything good under these birds. They've been on this bait for a while. And I've just been cruising back towards them, letting them come towards me. So, oh, there was something good. There's something nice. Yeah, I think they're reds for sure. Yeah, school of reds. It's a pretty nice red right here. Got some weight to them. I'm gonna try to scoop back so I don't spook the rest of them. Oh yeah, nice one. Been grinding all morning trying to get on these schools. That first school I ran into. Oh yeah, it's a nice one right there, baby. Chasing these schools all morning. There's a flock over there. This flock that I'm on right now, and there's another one to the right. That's a nice red right here. Yeah, I think this one isn't gonna be. I think this one might be over slop. Oh yeah. See him just throw up that shrimp right there. That's what they've been chasing this whole morning. They've been chasing those shrimp all morning. He just threw up one right now. Man, that's a nice one right there. Got him on that new pothole pimp coastal brew on a little weedless 3/16.
Those birds kind of worked farther back, but man, it's a beautiful red. Look at that. Give them about 30, 28 to 30 inches. It's a pretty red, man. Let's see. Yeah, he's way over. Yeah, I'll give him about 30. 28 or 30, man. That's a pretty one right there. Get it. Oop, he almost took my fish grips. Man, he's ready to go. There he goes. Let's see if we can get back on this school again. They're kind of farther out now. They moved back probably about 80 yards. But we'll walk back into them right now. We're casting with the wind anyway, so we got some distance. Now we're slowly creeping back up on these birds again. That last one I got, he was quite a ways out. Oh, you can see those reds tailing right there. They're coming up. Yeah, it looks like a pretty good school of reds. That's crazy because they're up. I'm probably in like knee-deep water. I'd say 1.5 foot of water. And these reds are just schooling up on these shrimp. Earlier I was in about chest deep water. I was getting a whole bunch of schoolie trout. Yeah, man, it's a whole bunch of reds right there. Let's see if I can get a good slot. Oh yeah, they're tailing. There it is. Yep, there it is. As soon as it hit the water, I had to cast right on top of them. Oh, that's a pretty one. He's super gold. Still working over there too. Man, that's a pretty one. Oh, what the hell? Man, that's a pretty one. Look at how gold he is. Look at that way. Pretty red right there. Gonna do catch and release today. I already got a whole bunch of shrimp. These birds are right here still working. Little flock of birds right here. I can see a couple reds tailing. See if we can get another one. There it is. slot. Yeah, he was just swimming towards me. There he is. I got reds all around me right now. I got some to the left, I got some right behind me. Try to get this guy in. Doesn't look like they're getting spooked. There it is. There it is. Oh, that's a nice one. These reds are giving me a workout right now. Looks like there's another school piling up right there. Yep. This other school.
call it a day, man. We had a pretty good morning. It was a pretty hard grind to find those reds, but we eventually got into them. I mean, we had to go across those schoolie trout, and then we had to go back up shallow to find those reds, man. But overall, it was a good morning. I mean, we had 3 slots and 1 overslot red. Couldn't get no keeper trout, unfortunately, but I mean, it's all good. Yeah, man, if you guys want to see more cool videos like this and watch me grind out for these fish like this, man, like and subscribe so you can see more, man. I'll be posting for sure in the future, and I hope you guys stay tuned to see what I have for y'all.